Well, hello out there, all my DIY artsy crafty friends and family. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Dee, aka the Messy Perfectionist. And on this channel, I am sharing my love and learning for all things artsy crafty, believing that every person has some spark of creativity within that they have yet to explore. And it is my hope that by sharing my own journey of vulnerability because of an experience, and also sharing my wins and my fails, that it may inspire you to be brave enough to start on your own artsy crafty journey, whatever that looks like for you, and wherever you perceive your own skill level to be. It is okay to begin or learn more or try. And so welcome to this judgment-free creative safe space in my corner of the internet here on YouTube, where hopefully we can share and learn something together. Today's video, I am going to be sharing with you another adult coloring book flip through of another one of Hanna Karlzon's adult coloring books called Seasons. I am not sure when this book came out. We'll find out together. So for you beautiful seasoned colorists out there, you may already have seen this, worked in it for a while now, but for me, because I am a newbie in a lot of ways, I am just discovering this beautiful and expansive world and really enjoying doing so. So I thought I would go ahead and do a flip through of this one anyway, just in case maybe there are other new people out there that are like me and are interested in a full flip through. I have yet to see all of the pages within this book. I've waited to do filming to look through this together so you can get my very true first impressions. The only pages that I have seen from this book are ones that I saw from reviewers on Amazon when I purchased it. And I was instantly attracted to the autumnal pictures because if you guys have been following along, you know that I love autumn so much. I love fall. I love Halloween. So I was very drawn to it just for that reason. But I'm excited that there are all 4 seasons hopefully in this. But before we get started today, I would love to just ask you guys to please, if you find something in this video helpful, or you feel inspired in some way, or you would just like to see more from me, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button, share, comment, all that good stuff. I know I do say it often, but it really will help this little channel to grow over time and let the YouTube algorithm get my content out there to other people that may be interested in this type of content. And I am so enjoying sharing and creating content for you guys. I would love to continue to grow in that way. I also want to say how much I appreciate all of you guys for doing all of those things. To those of you who have already done so and continue to support me as I embark and continue on this little journey of creating content. You all are so very much appreciated. And I also thank you all for taking the time to watch this video to the end, and I hope you enjoy it. So here we go. First impression, book looks beautiful, consistent with the other ones that I do own from her, which are Daydreams and Tales from the Witch's Cottage. I just kind of pulled them out for comparison in case somebody has maybe one or both of these other books. You could kind of get an idea in size. So it looks like it's the same size as Daydreams. Tales from the Witch's Cottage is a little bit slimmer. Consistent quality with all of these, as you guys can see. Beautiful spines to these books. That is one thing I just love about these books in particular from this artist who publishes these books or prints them. They do such a good job, and I wish that all adult coloring books were this quality. Sadly, they are not, and sometimes it's a challenge to find new artists that have this kind of quality. So another request, if you guys know any other artists that have a similar quality to which Hanna Karlzon's books are printed on, please let me know down in the comments. As for the back of the book, there is a little bit about the artist, and I'm sure the book, I'm not going to go ahead and read this. I will, and mostly just because there are some things I cannot pronounce and I don't want to butcher it, but I'll go ahead and I will leave enough space here so you guys can pause the video or return to it and read this if you are interested. Looks like it does retail for $16.99 in the US. I believe I purchased this much cheaper on Amazon. I want to say it was like $11.99. Don't quote me, and I know prices change sometimes, but I do believe it was cheaper than the listing price here. Nice cover page. It says Seasons, Gibbs Smith. So this looks like 2017. So yeah, it's not exactly new to the game. New to me. Maybe new to somebody else. Beautiful, beautiful this book belongs to page. I just love this. I feel like this is more detailed than others that I've seen. Beautiful space there to write your name. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I usually don't look at the cover pages and think, oh, that's the first one I want to color, but it's just so pretty. I love these little bottles. It's just, yeah, her art is so unique. What I find interesting about her art is that there's enough detail for someone newer to coloring, or maybe just wants to, you know, basic color, but there's also a lot of room that a more advanced colorist could create more. And I've seen some beautiful work from other colorists just totally transform these pages in ways that I can't even imagine yet. I love her people. Little piercing. It's so cute. The jewelry. Gorgeous little jewel there. I love the bottles. I love pages with bottles. I still am hesitant with coloring jewels. I really want to get better at that. I'm gonna have to practice. I'm gonna have to just start doing it. Like, there's little jewels and the flowers there. Very pretty. Aww, chicks. Reminds me very goddess-like. Really pretty. I have to say I like this book better than Daydreams. Daydreams is beautiful, don't get me wrong. There are some fun pages in there, but if I was at a store and I had to pick just one, it would be this one. Wow. Just gorgeous. Look at her face. The hair, it's so pretty. Bright summer nights. Very pretty. I love this with the tattoos. This is so cute with the little frog looking under the water here and this little fish king and prince or little jewels. It's adorable. The people in this book are just gorgeous. Oh, those kitties are so cute. See, like, this is something so simple, but it's just beautiful, and there's so much room for you to do something creative if you wanted to. Oh, autumn winds. Are we entering fall? Very excited. I love this. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I just can't wait to color in this book. I think I love this page. I love the double pages. Fall fog. Okay, you guys, so I was thinking, is this a beet? Are these beets? Is this something else? I'm just not sure. Are these maybe like radishes? Let me know so I know how to color it. This would be a good page for me to practice my jewels on that I'm very hesitant to do. So cute. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Oh, this was the one, you guys. This was the one that I saw. Of course, right? Very Halloween vibes. Just look at her. She's just so lovely. I love her witch's hat and the little jack-o'-lanterns. So awesome. I can't wait to color this for Halloween. And the little cat on the books. Oh, these are interesting. Little flames in the bubbles. All these little crystals. I love little worlds too. Little acorn earrings. Fallen stars. Gosh, she's just beautiful, isn't she? Yeah, I definitely see her in a winter goddess. So cute. Oh, I love this little winter scene. Very Christmas vibes. This is Christmas vibes, huh? Oh, how fun. Ooh, I see this doing like a bouquet background and all like Christmas type colors would be really pretty. Very cute cat and the dog. Aww. Reminds me of Nutcracker Sweet. Beautiful. So gorgeous. What a gorgeous book. That is it. That is the last page, you guys. Well, I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think down below. What was your favorite picture out of this book? Once again, thank you all so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Let me know what your favorite Hanna Karlzon book is, if you have a favorite. And I will be uploading some color alongs shortly. So if you would like to see how that is going, do make sure you are subscribed and that the little notification bell is checked so that you guys know when I do upload. I hope that you all have a beautiful rest of your day. Remember to take time for yourself and to always be kind to yourself and others. Bye.